Okay, one more thing. It's a rather interesting road in Paducah, Kentucky. It's right outside of Nashville. Guess what this is? It is a giant air conditioner. So there's the intake. That's where the air is coming through. So you can see that it's going all the way through there. And there's the controls. How big that is. And then there's the vents that go into the building. They go under there. This thing is so big that it has coil springs. I don't know if they're doing anything. I guess it's a safety precaution. And vents circulate the air. There's an off switch. And then there's the power on and off. That is a huge air conditioner.